That sound. That smell. Is that what you wake up for? You buy artisan, sourdough bread from the best bakery in town, only for your toaster to turn it into a charred, dry disappointment. The truth is, most toasters steal the moisture, kill the flavor, and create a burnt shell around a frozen center. But what if you could achieve that perfect, golden brown, shatteringly crisp exterior with a soft, steamy interior every single time? We tested 22 toasters to find the 5 that deliver a genuine bakery-level experience. The number 1 pick will change your breakfast forever. All links to bring this bliss home are in the description. Let's crack the code on perfect toast. Starting at number 1. Cuisinart 4-slice touchscreen toaster. Best overall. The sleek CPT T44-slice touchscreen toaster exceeded our expectations, especially given its price tag. Touchscreen controls on the front of the toaster and 6 shade settings give precise control, whether you're toasting sandwich bread or English muffins. Features include bagel, defrost, and single-slice toasting, as well as a plus 30-second button and a cancel button. 2 levers each control a pair of toast slots, and each pair can operate separately, so you can simultaneously toast bagels lightly while toasting bread to a dark shade. This toaster's display rests in standby mode when it's not being used and wakes up at the touch of an icon. In our tests, bread toasted to a nice golden brown on medium and high settings, with the highest coming out evenly dark without being burned. We did have to manually help thick bagels into the slots, but they came out with a golden brown cut side and a soft crust, even on the highest setting. The crumb tray is removable when it comes time for cleaning, though the easy-to-wipe exterior easily collects fingerprints. Number 2. Smeg Retro-Style 4-slice long-slot toaster. Best design. Smeg is coveted for its retro-style appliances and trendy color options that add pizzazz to any kitchen. The exterior of this toaster is powder-coated steel with polished chrome accents, but not only is it one of the most attractive designs on the market, it's highly functional, too. Anti-slip feet keep this firm on the counter, and the removable crumb tray makes it simple to clean. In testing, we praised this toaster for its consistent performance. The brownness corresponded to the toaster's shade selection every time. When you're using the bagel setting, it toasts slightly lighter, but does get a great golden brown color on the cut side if you crank it up high. It also has reheat and defrost settings. One qualm we had was that although we enjoyed the toast popping all the way out of the toaster, the pieces could easily end up on the floor. Number 3. KitchenAid 4-slice toaster. Best for bagels. Forcing half a bagel into a too narrow toaster slot isn't a pleasant experience. To avoid rips, crumbs, and jams, it's smart to invest in a toaster with wide slots if you eat a lot of bagels or thicker breads. During testing, we had nothing but nice things to say about the KitchenAid 4-slice toaster, which is available in 3 colors and features 5 shade settings, a manual high-lift lever, and 1.5-inch wide slots perfect for fluffy bagels. This model repeatedly toasted beautiful bagels on all settings. Just put the bagel in, press the bagel function, and when it dings, you'll have a bagel with a soft crust and an even, golden brown crispiness on the inside. Just note that we found that this toaster skews a bit darker on the regular settings. It also appeared to show fingerprints, but it was very easy to clean. Number 4. Breville Smart Oven. Best toaster oven. If you've been thinking about upgrading to a tech-savvy toaster oven, the Breville Smart Oven is a perfect pick. The large-capacity countertop oven not only fits 6 pieces of bread or a 12-inch pizza, but it can also bake cookies and cakes just as well as your regular oven. The Element IQ transfers heat across 5 quartz elements, which results in very even cooking. We were impressed with the oven's temperature calibration and speed in particular. After using the oven to bake a variety of pre-made products, using the manufacturer's suggested time and temperature, every one of them was done on time. We tried out the oven's versatility by making cookies, dinner rolls, store-bought pizza, and homemade pizza. We even broiled a steak, which turned out fine but produced a lot of smoke. Whether you tend to bake in small batches or don't want to heat up your kitchen in the summer with your regular oven, this is the ideal model for you. Be mindful, though, of the fact that there should be enough space on both sides of the appliance for air and heat circulation. Number 5. Breville Die-Cast Smart Toaster. Best high-end. Fitted with extra-long slots for all kinds of bread, this Breville Smart Toaster is a surprisingly unobtrusive addition to your countertop. You simply set your shade level on the slider, put in your bread, and allow the motorized lift to quietly lower it into the toaster. The LED lights indicate your toasting progress, and when it's done, the toaster quietly raises your bread and dings. There's an option to lower or mute the sound. We used the toaster with white bread, frozen bagels, and thick artisanal bread, and we found that everything came out perfectly, with each slice being toasted evenly. As for the controls, the Breville die-cast has some unique and intuitive button options. Besides the bagel and defrost settings, there are also lift and look buttons that raise the motorized carriage so you can check your toasting progress without starting over. Lastly, there is a bit more button, which we found to be especially handy. While we appreciated the extra features, the smart designation might be a bit misleading. And there you have it. The journey from sad, soggy bread to bakery-style bliss is shorter than you think. No more guesswork, just perfectly golden, delicious results. If this guide helped you find your perfect toast-making partner and made you a bit hungry, please show your support with a thumbs up and share this with a foodie friend. To get any of these game-changing toasters, every single link, plus any exclusive deals we found, is waiting for you in the video description. For more kitchen gear revelations and tips to elevate your home cooking, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what we're testing next. Here's to the best slice of your life.